The checkout check-in process is a key part of PDM systems. It prevents overwriting work and helps to ensure everyone is working on the latest designs. You can check out files by right-clicking and selecting Checkout, or by using the button in the top right corner. Your name will appear beside the files. You can also see the files you currently have checked out by navigating to the My Files workspace view. If you checked out a file by accident, you can right-click and cancel to avoid affecting the version control. After you are finished making changes, you will see that the files have been modified. For others to see these updates, check them in by right-clicking or by clicking the green icon in the top right corner. The version number will auto-increment based on your workspace and company-level settings. You can also add an optional commit message before clicking Check-in. You'll notice that the file version will be incremented and the revision status changed from released to in progress.